Our flexible processes and operations provides the best value for the customer.
Fast and accurate deliveries.
High quality products.
At LAPP Connector, we are here for the customer.
We manufacture prototypes according to customer specifications.
LAPP Connector is an important part of LAPP Group, delivering complete solutions in harness business. We start our offer with production of the smallest harnesses and finishing on the production of biggest harnesses and steering panels.
Location in Czech Republic means location in the heart of Europe, quite good delivery times for all the strategic customers Europe-wise. We are able to grow with our customers. As we are new, we have brand new state-of-the-art machine park. Our processes are established based on ISO 9001. For example, we tested every single product for 100%. If you ask me for one synonym which reflects LAPP in the best way, then it's definitely quality.